Hi, and welcome to section 6 of this course on diagnosability with monitoring, tracing, and visualization with Istio. This first video is all about the diagnosability triangle. So what exactly is the diagnosability triangle? Let's have a look. And here you go, here it is. A perfect diagnosability triangle. And the three cornerstones of good diagnosability are logging, metrics, and tracing. Why is that so? Remember, in cloud-native times, we're in a highly distributed environment, and logging, metrics, and tracing are really crucial to cope with the complexity of this distribution. So logging. Your system might consist of multiple microservices, and each and every microservice is replicated multiple times, and each of those instances is producing logs. So what you need is an aggregated view of all those log events. You might use Fluentd, or maybe you know the Elk stack for aggregated logging. Same goes for metrics. You need a clear insight on all those metrics of your microservices. How are they performing? Are they still alive? What's the memory consumption? How's the CPU consumption? How many threads are alive? So again here you need a holistic view on the metrics of your microservice-based systems. And maybe systems like Prometheus help you here. And last but not least, we have tracing. Remember, in a distributed environment consisting of multiple microservices, those microservices will communicate with each other. And you want to make sure you have a clear view of all those communication paths. How long did a call take? Which call did succeed? And distributed tracing helps you here a lot. You may use systems like Zipkin or maybe the Open Tracing Standard and Jaeger for this. Now Istio gives you all those goodness of diagnosability. It provides you with the means of getting access logs, it provides you with the means of automatically collecting all those metrics, and it also provides you the means of distributed tracing.